Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to share with you this recipe of how to make a vegan French toast. This is personally one of my favorite vegan recipes and I really hope that you give this a try. Let's begin. We are going to need soya milk, vegan protein powder, it's optional but it really gives it a good taste, some flax seeds, coconut sugar, nutmeg and some cinnamon. We're going to start by adding 1.5 tablespoons of flax seeds to a bowl, as well as a sprinkle of cinnamon and some nutmeg. Then we're going to add some soya milk, just enough to make a smooth batter, half a scoop of vegan protein, as well as less than 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar. Give this a mix and set aside for a minute. Dip in your bread and make sure that it's coated in both sides. Put it in a frying pan with a little bit of coconut oil and then fry it on both sides. Once this is done, you can add your favorite toppings. In this case I am adding some almond butter, some berries and a splash of syrup. This bread has been made at home. If you want to find out how to make this bread, make sure that you click on the link above. That's all from me today. I really hope you enjoy it. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay strong, healthy and happy.